Okay, in this segment we're going to do compound inequalities. Compound inequalities are quite fun because it's like a 2-for-1 special. So in our first problem, looking at part 4, number 12, we have this really strange equation. It's like I got 2 inequality symbols in here. So that means they literally took 2 equations and squished them all together, and so they made one big giant equation out of the 2. Okay? So whatever I do, I have to do to all 3 pieces in the equation. So I'm trying to solve for b. That's my focus, because I want this b by itself. So if I just had a regular old equation, what would I do? I'd add 4. So the difference here is I have to add 4 to all 3 pieces or sides. Okay? So I have negative 64 plus 4 gives me negative 60. Now I have my less than. There's just a 6b left in the middle. I have my less than. And now negative 22 plus 4 is me negative 18. Okay? So now what would I do? Again, I want b by itself. Okay? I would divide by 6. Alright? Well, I got to do that in all 3 pieces. So divide by 6, divide by 6. Okay? I get negative 10 less than b less than negative 3. The cool part is when you go to put this on the number line, you don't have to figure out where the arrows go. It tells you that b is in between negative 10 and negative 3, so you can put your open circles, and you know that b is in the middle. So you don't have to do a lot of little baby arrows and thinking about it. Okay? That is one type of compound inequality. The other type of compound inequality is like number 13, where there's an or statement. They give you 2 separate problems. They want you to work both of them. How dare they? Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing we've always done. Okay, so I've got to solve for p. First thing I'm going to do, subtract the 6. It's beautiful. So I got 2p less than equal to, that's 18. Okay, now I got to get rid of the 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. p is less than equal to 9. That's 1/2 of my answer. Now I've got to find the other half. So I've got to deal with 11 here. Move the 11, what do? Very good. Add 11. So now I have 5p greater than or equal to, what is that going to be? That's 50. Okay? So divide by 5, divide by 5, you got it. P is greater than 10. Okay? So on the number line here, we got to think again. It's not as easy as the other type of compound. I put my 9 in, put my 10 in. What kind of circles do they get? They both get closed. Now with 9, it's less than the 9, so we're going to go this way. Greater than the 10, we're going to go this way. Okay, so I get my boat oars. They're coming out like this. It's beautiful. Okay, so with or, we tend to look like this because it's or. It's one side or the other. You can't have anything that satisfies both. If it's all one equation, it's an and it's both stuff, both compound criteria in the center. And that is our compound inequality.